I'd like to introduce the project at the beginning. This is the part of the big project. The first part of the project, which was the documentary, it was made already this year, and not only made but released, but not only released, but actually released, which is absolutely unique thing for the documentary film. So that means that there is a big interest around the world in this subject, in this name. That's true. Because the documentary film was released everywhere at the festivals and, as I said, cinemas, and it was very successful. We spoke with different people, producers, and there is really a big interest in this because Rodolphe is a person, is a great dancer, a great artist, great part of world culture, and he belongs not only to Bashkortostan, where he lived, not only to Tatarstan, he was Tatar, not only to Russia, where he started his brilliant career, but to the whole world. And I hardly remember one country where he didn't dance. So this must be international project, co-production. We are very much interested in co-producers in Australia, in Canada, in the UK, in France. We have Antoine de Clermont-Tonnerre on board, famous French producer, but we need also co-producers from Canada because Robert Nourri, actually, he is a founder of the National Ballet in Canada. He danced with Margot Fonteyn in London. He was the head of Opera House in France. So, my name is Evgenie Tirdatova, and I'm a scriptwriter in this project also.